everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this super cute beaded necklace, super kawaii and pastel, and I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I have collected a lot of beads and charms over the years, as I like sparkly things. I like to make jewelry, and I make resin pieces and stuff. So yeah, so here's some of my beads. I wanted to use these little plastic ones with a cute charm. I was going to use this heart charm at first, but I eventually switched to a sea turtle charm because I thought it was cuter. You will also need some wire cutters, findings, a crimper, print beads, jump rings, and wire. So yeah, let's get started. So you will want 2 pieces of wire. I don't know if you can see them. There you go. 2 pieces of wire at the length you want. And then you go ahead and start putting on the beads, like so. So I went ahead and put my charm on my 2 pieces of wire and started beading. I used 2 pieces of wire because it makes the necklace stronger so it won't break after several wears anyways. And I just went ahead and started beading, and I started making progress. As you'll see later in this video, I happened to drop the necklace because I wanted to change the charm to a sea turtle charm, so you know, that was great, but yeah. You guys, I was beading. I was so close to being done, and then I wanted to change the charm from the heart to the sea turtle, and I just excuse me while I rebead the whole necklace again. Woo! Okay, we're now making progress again after dropping all of the beads. Just keep on keeping on. So then I had continued to bead and finished beading it and made it look really cute. And then I went ahead and added a crimp bead, which I forgot the name of, as you'll see here, and added a closure. As you can see, there's this little wire clamp thing I put on here. I forgot, hi, there's my thumbnail. I forgot what it's called, but basically you use the little tool right here. You use this tool and you do this side and then you do this side, and it squishes it like so. So you can see, and then I'm going to do it to the other side, yep. Then I'm going to show you how to attach the closing thing, the thing that closes it, yep. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this to the other side, like so. So you just want to take one and put it on there. I forgot what these things are called. I'll put it up on the screen. I can look it up later. Okay. Squeeze and squeeze, like so. Now it's time we add the closure onto our necklace. Whee! Ooh, pretty. Now it is time to add the closure. I have a lobster clasp here, and I have a jump ring. I also went ahead and got a crimp bead, and I put that on first. And then you take your lobster clasp and put that on, and then wrap around the wires around the lobster clasp and into the crimp bead like so. It's kind of hard to see, but basically you just take the wires and wrap them around and slip them through the crimp bead so it makes a little loop, and then you crimp it. Yep, and I did the same to the other side. Then make sure to cut the wires on the end of your loop super short so they don't hurt your neck or get caught on any clothing. Please be careful, friends, and make sure your necklace is comfortable and safe. And then I went ahead and made the little closure and closed it. Yep, and gave it a close. And it turned out super duper cute. Make sure you do all those steps for both sides of your closure, and you have a super cute necklace with a sea turtle and sparkly gems. So yeah, on to the outro. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this cute sea turtle necklace tutorial, or this cute beaded necklace tutorial. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all later. Love you guys. Bye.